how to download and install GCash. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the GCash app on your mobile device. Without further ado, let's learn how to download this mobile wallet application. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search bar, search for GCash. Select the first search result for GCash. Tap on the install button. The GCash app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed. Please be patient. Once the installation is completed, you can now use the GCash app on your device. Simply tap on open, follow all the necessary setup instructions, then log into your account if you have one or sign up for a new account. After that, you will be all set to make online transactions using GCash. And boom, you have successfully learned how to download and install GCash on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.